main page, home page that you all will come when you click on the URL. All right. All you have to do is log in here. I believe every student will have their own email ID and password. Okay. So I'll just log in here with mine.
Is Alicia is visual audible to everyone or not? Please let her know.
Am I audible, student?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, students, you can reply by using the hand raise symbol. Okay.
So student, sir, actually I've shared my screen, so I wouldn't be able to see. So you just let me know, you unmute and you let me know if they're able to understand or no.
Okay. Thanks.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Should I begin, sir?
Yes, please.
So students, once you're login with your email ID and the password that you all have received, this is the main home page that you all will come. Okay. This home page, first, what you all notice is the notice board. So whatever the important notices that your teachers have or your institute is given, so this will be visible to you all here. All you need to do is click on this view all option. So once you click on this view all option, you can see all the notices that are available. So you will know that these are the important notices that you need to really go through. Okay. Moving forward, here you can see various subjects such as science, maths, mental ability, social science, and Hindi. So here you can see the number of questions that you all have practiced, and this will show the percentage. So you will know, this is your self-analysis, okay? So you will know how much you have done in science and how much you have done in maths or mental ability and so on. Am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving forward, this is your personal own graph. This is your own personal graph. Just a minute, I'll just add. All right. So when you see this graph, this is your own progress graph. Okay. So this W1, W2, W3, W4 that you see is nothing but week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. And when you click here, you can see there is the orange color that is symbolizing is your progress that you have done, and the silver the gray color that you see is the average top students report. So when you see here, you will know that you in week 1 you've completed so many questions, and the average student has completed so many questions. So this will give you a kind of motivation that you do better every week. And this is your my progress graph. Okay. Moving on, there are few concept videos that your institute has given here. So in case if you are not clear with any concept, you can just here are the topics given. All you need to do is click on the video. I am not sure whether the audio will be available, you all can hear or no, since I have shared my screen, but I will still play how it's. So like this, students, in case you all are facing any difficulties on any particular concept, all you can do is just click a video and clear your concept here. Am I clear with the home page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, does anybody has any doubt in the home page? I'll move forward. Are you moving forward to learn? When you click on this learn option, this is what it looks like. Okay. So in learn, we have three things. First is the concept, second is the videos, and third is the study material. So when you click on concept, you can see that here you can select your class, whether it's 9th or it's 10th. So I'll go for 10th as of for now. Okay. You can select any. So I'll click science. You can you see the three lines here? When you click here, you can select any particular chapter that you want to learn. So I'll just select electricity as of for now. So now you can see that here the concepts are ready for you. You need to click on this. Once you've clicked here, this concept will be open. So here you can either, you can even download this if you want to, or what you can do is study from here, take your book and pen, note it down, and you can, all your concepts will be clear here once you click on the concept. The green button that you see here, when you click on it, it shows you the next concept. Okay. So when you click on here again, you will see another concept. So like this, whichever chapter you feel you need a little more practice on, or or you're not, clear with any concept, you can go on the learn option, click on concept, select the particular subject and the chapter, and you can clear your concepts here. Am I clear, students, with the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving on to videos. Just a disclaimer. First, I'd like to give you all the videos are 11th and 12th. We don't have videos here. Okay, so I'll just click on the videos.
Actually, Alicia ma'am, I think that voice get cracked. So can you please repeat?
I'm sorry, sir.
Your voice got cracked. So can you please repeat it?
Yes, sir. I was saying that in the videos are available only till the 10th grade and not for 11th and 12th.
All right.
Am I audible?
Okay, even class 11th and 12th students, if you have any query, you can ask. Okay.
Sir, I was saying the 11th and 12th grade videos are not available for them. Till 10th grade, we have the videos.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. So once you click on the videos, these are the concept videos for y'all. There are few example videos as well. And there are institute videos that your institute is put here. So we'll just click on one concept video so you have an idea how it works. So I'll just click on play. So like this, students, you will have your videos available for you all. So, here there are n number of videos available. So whichever concept you want to clear, you can select the subject again. You can select the chapter, and the concept videos for you will be available here. Am I clear with the video, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you. We'll move forward to study material. So when you click on study material, so whichever subject you have selected and whichever chapter you've selected, the particular study material will be available for that particular chapter. So now you can see here that there are few chapter notes, there are formula sheets, there are important questions, there are few solved examples, and there are other sample papers as well for it. All right. There are institute notes as well. So what you need to do is you need to click on this preview. So when you click on preview, It's loading, just a minute. Okay. So you will see that your chapter notes will be available here. All right. Yes,
Ma'am, one of
yes.
the student is having a doubt, please.
Yes, yes, sir. Please ask.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, in this video section, do we have a search option to search a particular video?
Actually, what happens is when you when you click on the particular subject and you click on the particular chapter, only that chapter's video will be available for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I don't think so you need any search option for it, because all the concept related to the particular chapter and related to particular subject will be available for you. Am I clear?
Yes,
Mir, is my doubt clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. As I told you, we moved on to a study material. And when you click on this preview option, you can see here that all your study material is given to you here. So you can, go through it. You can even download it. So whenever you get time, you can go through it via your phone or via your laptop, whatever is convenient for you, you can do that. So do you have any doubt in this learn option, in this learn portal? Do you have any something that you've not understood and you want me to explain it again? Student, please interact. If you all don't, I will not understand whether you all have understood or no.
No, ma'am, it's understood.
It's understood? All right. I'll move on to practice. So when you click on this practice portal, now you have an option here for session, homework, reports, marked for clarification and evaluation and feedback. So first we'll see what session is all about. So in this practice session, you can, create your own test for you like this. So now I'll select, suppose I select science here as a subject that I want, and I'll select the chapter as force and laws of motion. So I'll just click here and I'll click on apply. All right. Can you see the new session here? You need to click on the new session. You need to click on the chapter that you want to conduct your own test for. Okay. So I've selected the chapter. You can select the question type, whether you want to go for objectives, numeric or subjectives. I want to go for objectives, so I'm clicking objectives. You can click the difficulty level. You can go for difficult level questions like easy, medium or difficult. I will go for easy question first and regular questions here. Okay, I've selected these. The next thing you need to do is select on start. So once you've selected on start, this is your practice session. Okay. So this is your own test that you are conducting for your own self. You don't remember one thing, students, you don't have to just randomly answer any question. You really need to sit with your pen and book, solve this question, and then you give your answer. Right now, because I'm giving you a demo, I am giving you random answers, but you don't have to do that. Okay. So I'll just click this. I've selected my answer. Once I've clicked on submit an answer, I've got to know that yes, my answer is correct. Also, this will show me the percentage of how much it is correct. Now you can see the concept is also immediately revise it, or in case if you feel concept will help you clear it, there is also full solution available for you. The full solution is only available for you when you have selected the correct answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Here onto your right hand side, you have to click on next. I've read the question. I feel this is the correct answer. I will submit my answer here. So you see my answer was wrong. So this will give me another chance to view my concept. So once I viewed my, you notice here students, here you cannot see the full solution when you have given a wrong answer. Only when your answer is right, you get a concept and a full solution. When your answer is wrong, you only get a concept so that you can retry again. Am I clear, students? So I have read my concept and I feel that option A is the right answer. I submit it. But again, it was wrong. So when second time your question, your answer is wrong, only then you will get a concept and a full solution for it. Am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll move on to the next question. So now you feel that, you've not understood this particular question or you need a clarification for it. What you can do is, can you see the three dots here besides the report option, report error?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to click on it. What you can do is you can mark it for revision. You can mark it for clarification as well. So what this does is, this will immediately show your teachers that you have a difficulty in this particular question and that you have marked for clarification and you need revision for the same. Okay. So once you do this, your teacher will immediately get to know that you need a revision for this particular question. Now, if you want, you can pause this test as well, in case if you feel that you need to take a 15 minutes break and then you want to come and continue with the test, you can do that, or you can end the session. So the minute you end the session, immediately your report will come here of the test that you have given of the particular chapter. Immediately your reports will come here. So the force and laws of motion, the test that you just gave, you will see here the question correct. Only one of your question was right. The attempted percentage will be shown here that you have attempted 3. The average time will be shown here, how much time you took, and the accuracy in percentage will be shown here. When you go below, you will see overall how much you have practiced in science. You will see the attempted percentage. Level 1 is nothing but the difficulty type of question, that is level 1 questions, how much you have practiced. Level 2 questions, how much you've practiced. The average time, how much you took to complete the particular questions will be shown here. The accuracy of percentage will be shown here, and the total accuracy in percentage will be shown here. Am I clear, students? Once you
Yes,
move,
ma'am.
yeah, the in detailed session details will be shown here. So the test that you just took, okay, you can view the questions here by clicking on view option. So your question, you will know that this was the question that you had attempted for. You can click on the concept, you can clear your concept. There is a full solution also available when you click on the full solution option. You can see here the concept is shown here. What was your answer to this particular question is also shown here. What is the correct global accuracy percentage is shown here. Now this time, global correct time that you see, this 37 seconds is how much you took to complete this particular question. And this 45 second is something that an average student would take to complete this particular question. Okay. Now, as you remember that the third question that we have solved, we had a doubt with it and we had also marked for clarification. So when you see this that you have marked, when you see read here, this is asked doubt, it will be shown yes. And if it's marked for clarification, it will be shown as a tick mark here. So the similar way your teachers can also see this. If you want, you can take a printout of this as well. Or you can keep it like this also. It is up to you. Any doubt in this report, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll move forward then. So this was all about session. Now we'll move forward to homework. So students, now here there is no data, but whenever your teachers give any homework to you all, Here it will be available with date, the chapter, the subject, and when you have to submit, when is the when it was given. The whole data will be given to you here. So whenever you want, so you need to really check this homework section every day, so you know whatever homework your teacher is given, so you can solve them on immediate and regular basis. Am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Moving forward to reports. So here this will show all the reports of how many practice sessions you've taken for yourself. So here all the subjects would be visible, the topics will be visible, the chapters will be visible, the level of questions that you've practiced will be visible, the when you took the test, the date will be visible, how many questions have you attempted, that will be visible. When you click on view, the detailed report will be visible for you. Okay. So I have explained you the detailed report. Same way you can check it here as well. Any doubt in the reports, students? Student, do you have any doubt? No, right? We'll move forward for marked for clarification. So when you click for marked for clarification, so you remember when we were taking the test, we had given one question for clarification. So if you feel if your teacher has cleared the clarification for you, you can remove it from here. Okay. And sometimes it does happen that we forget which were the questions that we had marked for clarification. So here this portal will help you to maintain your data, so you will know wherever you had doubt, in whichever subject you had doubt, it will be visible here. So when you click here, you will know this was the question that you had a doubt in, that you had marked for clarification. Also, the concept will be here for you. It will take some time to download, and there is a full solution available for you as well. So once your teacher, clarifies your doubt and your doubt is clear, you can always click on remove. So it will get removed from your marked and clarification. Any doubt, students, in marked for clarification?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Evaluation and feedback is nothing but whatever evaluation or the feedbacks that your teachers will be giving you from their portal, it will be visible for you when you click here. Any doubt in this practice portal, students? Anything you want me to explain again? Students, please respond if you all need any clarification or anything you want me to explain
Ma'am?
again. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, you said that we can download the questions or practice papers if we want. So we are having test every Sunday and after every 15 days. So can we download that whole paper for practice in future?
Ma'am, you're talking about the sessions that we told you, na? You can only download the reports, ma'am. And the questions, you have to go here and view on the questions. So like that, the questions will be, you cannot download the questions from here.
So ma'am, if we have to practice the questions offline,
Yeah.
the test questions that we have given in test, and we have to practice it again for next test.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Whatever practice or whatever sessions you take on your own, okay, your own test. I'll show you again the session part just so that your doubt is clear. You have selected the subject and the chapter. All right. I'll just apply here. You click on the plus session. You choose the particular chapter you want to take the session on, the test on, or what you want to practice on. You click on objectives. You click on difficulty level. You start here. Okay. So these are the questions. I am just randomly answering them right now.
I guess he's telling about the regular test.
Sorry to interrupt, Alisha ma'am.
Yes,
Actually,
yes, sir.
the student was asking let us say we are having a test on Sunday, weekly
Okay.
assessment test is there.
Mhm.
So she wants that if particular that test she has attempted and she has answered the questions and she has got the marks, then
Mhm.
whether she can download that paper that she has already given on the Sunday test to for further review or for next test practice.
So she cannot download it, the questions.
Okay.
Of course, she can download the report, but she cannot download the questions or the solutions. If the child wants to check, of course, they can go in this their portal again and check where they have where they went wrong and everything. But they cannot download it. Of course, they can download the result that has come. This you can download, but you cannot download this question that is shown here. You have to come here, view the question, need to view the concept and the solution. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mathri beta.
Okay.
Actually,
Yes.
you can do one thing. Let us say there is a specific chapter that is going to come in the Sunday test. You can opt your new session. This button is visible, and you can opt for this new session, and you can select those chapters to practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I'll move forward to test, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So students, you all have here an option where you can create your own test. So what you all were practicing was like you can pause anytime, and that was you have concepts available there, and there was a full solution available there. So this create test is something which has a time limit. Okay. So you have to be very particular with it. So when I'm creating my own test, you can create any duration. 1 minute, there's somebody. Yeah. So you can create of any duration like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It's up to you. I will click your 30 minutes as of for now. You can choose your own difficulty level, whether you want easy questions, you want medium questions, you want difficult level, whatever you can choose. It's up to you. You can choose the particular subject you want to create your test on. I'll go for maths. You can choose your topic. Okay. Choose your topic, which topic you want to create this test. Select the chapter. And you have to click on start test. Here you can see already your timer is started. Okay. There are 20 questions that you need to attempt. Now I am going. I've read the question. I feel this is the correct answer. I'm clicking. Okay. Now, if you feel that this particular question is going to take you a bit more time, what you can do is you can click here save for later. All right. And you can skip on to the next question. Now here can you see the question here in black onto your right hand side?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to click on it. Here, this will give you the whole status of your test. So you know that you have submitted 2 questions, you have saved 1 for later, and 17 questions that you have not attempted. You can directly skip on to the 8th question if you wish to. Select the answer, submit next. Okay. Now I want to end the session. I have end the test. Immediately, the minute you end the test, your report will be reflected here on the screen. So you know that this particular chapter in maths that you took for a 30 minutes test, the report is shown here. Okay. So the questions are here. Questions corrected is shown here. How much were the questions that you attempted, and out of which how many were correct? The attempted percentage is shown here. The average time you took to complete is shown here, and the total time is shown here. Accuracy in percentage is shown here. Now you have ended the test in middle only. No worries. What you can do is you can view the question here by clicking here. So this was the first question that had come. Okay. When you click on the solution is also given here in detailed solution. Okay. Now if the answer was correct, okay, the first question that you attempted, your answer was correct. The correct answer was this. The time taken by you was this, and the global time is this much. Now the second question that you attempted, okay, you can view here the second question. You can view the solution. Just a minute. And if the answer was correct, so it was no. If not, then which is the correct answer, that is shown. Time taken is shown, and the global correct time is also shown here. Okay. So whenever you take a test, the report will be shown to you immediately. Okay. And with the question and solution, everything is available here. Am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was all about that. And your test, when you click on this test history, your test history is also visible here. So anytime you can view your report, you can go through the questions, you can go through the solutions. Somebody was asking me. So student, you can come here in your test history, check it for yourself, check the questions, click on view report, and the whole data will be available for you. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll move on to institute test. So institute test is something that your institute has prepared, selected a date and time for your test. So you need to click here, check when are your test. Where the action that you see here is to start test. So here, as of now, we don't have the data since we have not conducted any test. But the minute any test is conducted, you all will get here and you need to click on this here action. Below here, you will get a start option. You need to click on the start option and you can start with your test. Am I clear, students? With the
Yes,
test
ma'am.
part, any doubt you all have with the test part?
Ma'am, can we reattempt the question? Like suppose I have already submitted question 1 and I have moved to question 2, but then I
Yes.
want to change the answer of question 1. So can I do it?
No, kid. When you're doing your create own test or you're giving your institute test, you cannot do that here. But you remember while we were learning, while we were practicing and we were taking sessions for our own self, that time you had gotten 2 chances to correct your answer. Okay. But when you take this test, you cannot, once you select the option, you cannot rechange it. Okay.
So, ma'am, what if we have selected it by mistake or anything like that?
If you all have if you're telling me if by mistake you select a different option.
Yeah, in institute test.
Yeah, so institute test is something that your institute conducts a test for you. So if you there you again get an option whether submit an answer. So you have to be very alert and very attentive while you're selecting the option. Okay, because you cannot rechange the option once you've click on submit the answer. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, moving on to live class. So here in your live class, your whole schedule will be shown here. How many live classes are available will be shown here. How much is completed is nothing but the whatever live classes you all have attended, and all the recorded live classes will be here. Okay.
We can skip this section for now.
I'm sorry, sir.
We can skip this section as of now. Okay.
You want me to skip the live part?
Yes, yes.
Okay. No worries, no worries. So this was all about the students portal, sir. So in case anybody has any doubts, you all can ask me right now.
Alicia ma'am,
Yes, sir.
can we log into a student of class 11th or class 12th
Yes,
so
sir, we
that they
can.
can get a better picture of their own classes? Because we have just
Yeah.
seen from class 9th and 10th point of view.
Yeah, just a minute, sir. I'll just log in for 11th and 12th, sir.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
No, I've not shared my screen. I'll just share my screen. Just a minute. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So for 11th and 12th, sir, it's just the same. Okay. So they will have their own ID and password. So once they log in, this will be their home page. It is same. Only while they're learning, they have to select the particular grade. Suppose it's 11th or it's 12th. They need to select it. They need to select the particular subject which they want to practice on. I think we have not filled in the data, anything for 11th and 12th year. So it's just the same. Only the thing they have to do, they have to select the particular class, whether it's grade 11 or 12, and the subject whichever they want to practice the session for. Apart from that, everything is same for 9th and 10th also, and for 11th and 12th also. Only for 11th and 12th, videos will be not available for them. Am I clear, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything anybody wants to ask me about the students portal can ask me. I will clarify your doubt. Because I've explained you the whole portal right now. So I feel as if you all start, I think, sir, you've given them your ID, their ID and password.
No, that will be given to them.
Yeah.
It
So
will be given.
when they actually practice it on their own, they will have a better understanding. But
Right.
apart from that, if anybody has any question, please ask me. I will clarify your doubts.
Students, feel free to ask anything that you have faced any query of. So please.
Sir,
Yes, Fiza.
sir, on which app we get this all ID password that
Definitely, beta. You'll be
Log-
getting it soon.
We will transfer you the ID and password. We will be sending you all the ID and passwords.
okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes, Matthew.
sir, this will be accessed only online in online form, or we can access this during we are offline.
No, beta. Actually, this is a portal based on servers. Okay, so it is online server. So you can only access it when you are online.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we will get notifications for test or no? And
Definitely,
homework
beta. Yeah, you'll be getting notifications if any particular homework is given to you. If any question, I mean, any test is assigned to you, live classes is going to take place, then you will be getting notified. And if any other information that is important for you, then it will be notified.
But the most important thing is that we are not going to have the mobile application for this. Okay. So you have to log in and then only you will be able to see the notifications. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? You have to log in from our website, inceptionguide.org. From there, you have to log in your portal and then only you will be able to see the notification. It's not like mobile notification that you will be getting randomly. Okay, Darshila, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, any other student, any class, if you have any queries?
Sir, but will this be portal accessible from mobile devices?
Yes, it is accessible
Yes,
from the
yes.
mobile devices. Yes. Yes, ma'am, you can answer it.
No, I was answering him that you can access via your phone as well. Any other doubts, anybody?
So that's all for today. I think Alicia ma'am, thank you, Alicia ma'am and Agam sir. Thank you for conducting this session.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you so much, students. I hope I have conveyed everything properly to you all. In case you all have any doubt, sir, you can, of course, message us anytime or give us a call. And I think once the students, get a hold of this, they practice on a regular basis, they will have a better understanding of this platform. So I have explained everything from my end. In case you all have any doubts, sir, you can give me a call or you can message Agam sir anytime.
Totally. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your support.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much.
So students, wait in this room. We will be conducting the sessions. We will continuing the session. Okay. So students, please remain in the classes. Rishi sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how we can proceed further?
Actually, sir, I think students, if as soon as they'll be getting their username and password, they'll be getting to know it better.
Sure.
And then if any query again persists, then we can have that also.
Okay. And will there be any classes as of now? Will they be having any classes?
Actually, there is only around 20 minutes left. So I think they'll be having classes from 6:45.
No, sir.
No, sorry,
I think,
1 hour left. Yes.
I think 45 minutes are left.
Sorry.
1.5 hours. So student class 8, 9, 10, please, you may leave now. Yes, sir. So please make the breakout room and we can proceed.
Yes, sir. Students, please wait so that you can be assigned to the respective classes.